Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. This is the next video in our series of all the products that we manufacture. We dive in depth on each one, telling you what it is that we do, as well as show you a short video of the actual production or the process. Today we're going to be talking about PVC. What is PVC? PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride, which is a synthetic plastic that is used in a plethora of industries. It is most known for being durable, affordable, and resistant to chemicals. Properties of PVC: durable. PVC is a strong, rigid material that can withstand heat, pressure, and collision. PVC is also known to insulate electric. So if you have column wraps, for example, you can run your electric conduit through the inside. It's resistant to chemicals, corrosions from acid, insect infestation. It's lightweight. So what do we offer in the PVC product? We offer column covers, as you see behind me, along with pedestals, different shapes, different styles. Believe it or not, we can actually do an intasis taper, which has a radius to it. We also, over here, offer PVC corbels and brackets. We offer PVC beams, beam wraps, PVC louvers, shutters, moldings, fretwork and wall panels, PVC accents, PVC rails. This is a PVC outrigger, which is meant to replicate a wood beam supporting your roof. These are the different types of rails. We have your Chippendales, we have your standard pickets. This is what a louver would look like. This is the beaded ceiling boards that we offer in running foot. You have your trim boards, different sizes, also known as S4S boards. We have different profiles of crown molding. Now let's head to our shop. We're going to show you guys how we cut these on a CNC. And at the end of the video, as previously, we're going to show you some projects that we've done. Let's head out. All right, guys, we're now in our shop where everything starts right here for PVC on our CNC machine. We program the parts needed to assemble into the final product that you get. We have a lot of proprietary jigs and methods and tools that we use that obviously I can't elaborate on or show you, but we can show you here in this process. Right now we're cutting a fluted PVC column wrap. It all starts here. Once this is cut, we take it out, we clean it up, and we move it over to start the assembly and putting together. So again, everything starts right here. Stay tuned for the end of the video. You're going to see beautiful projects we've done and everything we're capable of. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll catch you next week for our next video. Have a good one.